I'd like to start by reminding everyone here, each and every one of you, how special you are to Katie and Peter. That's why you're here on their wedding day. It's going to be a happy and emotional occasion, so I'd encourage you to please let your emotions flow freely, let the tears run down your cheeks, let the laughter chuckle in your bellies, and get right behind this, because what we're about to witness here, no one's ever witnessed before. This is the first. This is the wedding of Katie and Peter!
I'm not sure if Peter knows this, but back in November 2017, 6 months before she met you, she sent me a copy of a visualization for her perfect partner.
It all started with an unlikely Tinder success, mostly because Peter was not that into Tinder, and it was a stroke of luck that one day his workmate that was vicariously living through him swiped Katie, and he sent her a message with something like, surfing tick, adventures tick, running not so much, but I'll fix your board while you go on a run.
The first date was amazing and we kissed, but shortly after I felt extremely sick and I had to tell Katie, I really gotta leave, like right now. The second date I cancelled last minute because I got a flu. The third date I awkwardly turned away when Katie tried to kiss me. And we both pretended this just didn't happen. Luckily from here on the dates got better. And I learned really quickly what an amazing person you are. On Katie's birthday, which was one of the first dates we had, where I met a lot of you guys and a lot of Katie's friends, literally every single one of them said, Katie, she's my best mate.
Peter, it's so wonderful to see how happy Katie was with you. I think you genuinely get the true essence of her. And it's not hard for any of us to see how much love you have for each other and the joy you get from every moment together.
I just gotta let you know, you've been on my mind all damn day.
Katie, I gave you an adventure jar. We regularly went beyond our comfort zone. I love how much you love the weirdest shit.
I wanna see what you got for me. I want it all like a shopping spree. I want you all on top of me.
Today we had the amazing surf competition with some pretty incredible surfing and outfits.
Watching you whine, I had to stop and hit rewind on that ass. Hold on the pause, I was to play. I guess the time moving fast, slow motion, like juvenile.
But the winner with the most nominations, Chippo. And so there's a trophy here for you somewhere, mate. Can't surf, won't surf, can piggyback.
Peter Segura, I love you. I love how honest, funny, loving, and intelligent you are. Your positive energy is infectious. You inspire me to live every day to the full and to try new things.
I will keep investigating and inventing new adventures for us, which will be fun, challenging, make us new skills, like contemporary dance, experience different perspectives, and embrace surprises.
Life with you is so incredible. It is so natural and easy, and also so full of fun, excitement, and laughter. I look forward to hobbling down to the beach with our longboards when we're very, very old and wrinkly. Peter, ich werde dich für immer lieben, versprochen.
I'm so much looking forward to be old and grey and wear same colored adventure dress on our hikes. I love you, Katie Segura.
Cheers to Katie.